Si Mike! At saka si...
Ano?
Si Cindy! O, tingnan mo! Bilis! Oy! Oy! Mike! Mike! Oy! Mike! Sula here! I'm with Trisha! Anong ginagawa niyo dyan? Oy! Si Mike, oh! Mike! Mike! Si Mike, oh! At saka si Cindy!
Sorry, let's go.
Pabayaan
na natin sila, okay?
Bye, Mike! Huling-huli kayong dalawa!
I'm leaving early tomorrow morning. Ayaw kasi ni Mami maiwan ako eh. Kapag nasa States na ako, I'll surely miss the cookies and cakes you bake.
Mas masarap naman yata ang cakes at cookies doon. Find somebody to bake for you.
Galit ka ba sa akin? I'm not seeing that girl anymore.
Who cares?
Trish, ayoko umalis na galit ka sa akin. Please. For all time's sake.
For old time's sake? Ano yun? I didn't even bother to know how I felt that time. When you were busy going out with so-and-so. And here you are telling me for old time's sake. Ikaw nakalimot sa for old time's sake na sinasabi mo ngayon. Please don't. Hindi mo kasi alam. I have invested so much time and energy sa friendship natin. Tapos iniwan mo ako ng ganun-ganun na lang. And now you're here. Nakikipagbati ka sa akin pero nagpapaalam. What kind of a friend are you? Ayaw mo lang makonsensya ka kaya ka nakikipagbati sa akin. You don't have to say goodbye. Just go.
Trish, thanks for everything. Please take care of yourself. Trish, I'll miss you. That's all.
I'll miss you too, Mike. And you take care, okay? And I guess that would be all.
Trish, always remember that you're my special friend. And always will be. And that's forever.
Same here, Mike. Mike. Let's put down the phone now, okay?